2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, and here 16 plus 1, which equals to 17. Then 17 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that this multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one parenthesis and one multiplication here and one addition. Okay, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally addition. Okay, if we do this addition before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, first parenthesis 2 minus 2, which equal to 0, then 16 plus 1 times 0. This multiplication has higher priority than this addition. Okay, because multiplication comes before addition according to Pemdas. Therefore, we have to multiply first these numbers. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Then 16 plus 0, which equals to 16. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem equals to 16.